Oh, okay, that's definitely worth testing. That's like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, that's a 7 out of 10. And you're
Uh,
creative, you want to like somehow crop the phone or app onto the image of it next to the collar. If you're doing a photo ad and if you're doing a video ad, it'll probably be better.
yeah, I think I don't know if there were any videos for it. That's the only thing.
Yeah, if not, then do a picture ad. Have this photo, crop the phone of the app
Yeah,
onto that photo, move the photo a bit up to make space for the phone, and then you
yeah,
could write like GPS tracker. No, in small text like GPS or something, or like use a GPS symbol, put it there because Facebook doesn't like text on images, and then
yeah.
that should convey what the product is, and people will be like, "Oh, that's cool. It's like a tracker for your
Do you
pet."
think like the map one or this one?
Ooh, maybe a combination of both, and crop it onto a phone. So find a iPhone and then crop
Oh,
that onto the iPhone, and then you could find a horizontal iPhone that's
oh,
situated horizontally and put the map on it. And I think actually the map would be better. Use a map. Get a
yeah.
phone, make it horizontal, put that onto the phone.
I think that could be good. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, I get that. I think I'll just get a horizontal one and put the map in, and then that'll be at the bottom of the frame, and then like it'll be like one of these photos behind it.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Sweet.